is squeezing while we speak right now. Remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes only. So, guys, watch out. Beyond Meat is jumping from the 93. So the first sign of the squeeze already happened. We held the 80 cent. We held inside this channel for 1 month. We never had a breakout or a green candle over this white line, guys. Here rejection, rejection almost 5 times or 6 times, and now we have the first time a green candle close over this white line. And guess what? We got a breakout. Now the main level to test to confirm this breakout, guys, is breaking the 116 in order to confirm a squeeze until the 148 and then the $2.11. Now 14% jump. We're missing another just 15, so we need 30% in total to confirm the squeeze and breaking from the orange line and make the short cover here in order to go toward the 148 and $2.11. Santa came for Beyond Meat, and of course, this is an early Christmas present for all the holders for Beyond Meat. So watch out, guys. The squeeze is imminent and started right now. The first time that we have this breakout from this channel that we discuss on our Discord, guys. If you don't know, we always do update for our hunters on Discord, where we discuss the market and the precise entry and exit for mini stocks. Yesterday we did a really good hunt for ADSK that have earnings, of course, and jumped up. And we did another update here for mini stocks that did really great. One of them is AEHL, that broke the level of resistance here around the $3.22, and we hit the $3.50 before a pullback. So this one was after we finished our live stream. In the link comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, guys, Beyond Meat 19% and giving $1, hitting the psychological level and getting near the 116. Let me know comment section below, are we gonna have the squeeze for today before the end of this month? Because yes, tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And of course, Friday with the market will be half close. For the next Monday, of course, will be the 1st of December. So today we might have the first ignition for Beyond Meat for December. And of course, December might be a huge green for Beyond Meat, and end this year maybe in green if Beyond Meat hit the $3.30 before the end of this year. Of course, we have just 1 month left. Right now is 17% and giving. This is really crazy, guys, for Beyond Meat. This is a good signal that we have this breakout from this white channel that we discussed since 1 month ago on our Discord and Patreon and our YouTube. We said if we broke this channel, guys, we're gonna have a squeeze, and of course today have this confirmation right there and right here. So see you all back by next week, guys, because tomorrow we're not gonna go live, and Friday as well. So we're gonna go back on Tuesday to continue the hunt. So don't say, Jesus, where did you go and where have you been? We're gonna come back strong for the next month on December to discuss the market. Go live usually every day, 30 minutes before the market open, but tomorrow the market will be closed for Thanksgiving. So we come back on Tuesday next 2nd of December, of course, continue our daily and usual routinely live streaming 30 minutes before the market open or around 3 p.m. Central European time or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching and see you all back by the 3rd of December.